Everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I'm waiting on parts for another Ameritron and some more parts for another one on the other side of the bench, an AL80, an original AL80, and this one's an AL811h. So this one is also an AL811h. So the reason why it was sent in by the customer is because he tried to ground the grids and add the gas discharge tubes below the sockets. So, looked underneath, they look like the wrong gas discharge tubes. I'll check them, but the work's very sloppy. So I'm going to pull all that apart, redo it, and the reason why I sent it in is because he destroyed the input rotary switch. So I don't normally get involved when something like that happens, but I decided he's willing to pay the price, so I'm going to get it done. Also has one turn too many for the parasitic suppressor assembly. So I'll have to remove a turn and put a longer screw in the base of the plate choke. I'm going to change the SO239s. I put a longer screw in the top now also. So I'll check the straps. Check this side. Might have to change them. So I just don't take any chances. I'll take it apart and I'll give it a closer inspection. So I don't really charge extra to do that. You know, when I get to the, you know, there's basically a go through amount and there's going to be an extra amount to deal with the switch, and so please, if you have one that you want the mods done to, call me, because now it's going to cost about double. Okay, so I'll do the 10-meter mod, and that's about it. So I will see you guys in a bit. I have to touch base with the customer and give him a quote. Hey, see you guys soon. Press the socket clips. Yeah, touched up on solder joints, redid the grid to ground connections. He just had them tagged at different gas discharge tubes in here also, so now it's all set. I also cranked on his nuts they used here. He put split washers between the nut and the tab, so I really cranked on them with a wrench. So it's all set. Put the new switch in. That was fun. Got the gas discharge tube off the board. Restripped the wires. New SO239s from max gain systems. Zip tied all the wiring over there. He did remove the metal oxide varistor. I tightened up on the nut, the back of the air variable capacitor on the plate side. I'm gonna get back to work. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. Back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. Customer wants to see it working on 40 meters. 1 kW slug, bird 43 with a bird PEP kit installed and on. Going into a bird attenuator load. Radio set to roughly 60 watts or so. Audio hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. 800, 800, 800, 800, 800, 800, 800, 800, 800. Audio hello, 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 hello. Put it on this. Audio hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Cool off for a second, shut it off, and I'll show you everything I did inside. See you guys soon. Here's the inside. I'll show you everything I did. So there's the old switch. It's a brand new one installed. Removed the gas discharge tube off the rear board, did the 10-meter modification, replaced the straps with a parasitic board, removed one turn per coil, put a longer screw in the base of the plate choke and also the top of the plate choke. I showed you everything I did underneath, which was redo his grid to ground connections. I compressed the socket clips carefully. I added 2 new gas discharge tubes. Changed the SO239s with ones from Max Gain Systems. Great people over there. Zip tied the wiring. Touched up on solder joints. What else? Clean the band switch with deoxit gold. And that's about it. So, also got a brand new set of Penta Lab tubes. Awesome, awesome, awesome company. Customer had bought them new and he sent them in with the amplifier. So, also zip tied the wire for the bias mod. So she is good to go. Better than new. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. It is Friday, so I'm done working for the week. I'm waiting on parts for 2 other amplifiers here, and more are on the way. So I will see you guys next week with more videos. Have a great weekend. 73.